Alright, we're here in the basement of 1980 Barnett Way. Going in through the 3-inch clean out here. Just installed the clean out on the outside and replaced about 10 feet of pipe. There's the clean out outside. Replaced the pipe from this point. See, this is all new ABS. Here back to the original clay. Here's the 6-inch clay. Lateral at the property line of the street now. Here's the city connection. Okay, once again we'll pull back. This is the original clay, back into the 4-inch clay now. This is new ABS from this point back. Back under into the house. Out the 3-inch clean out just inside the door. So we'll stop it here.